This is the real English you'll hear when ordering food at a restaurant. Imagine you're at a busy steakhouse on a Friday night. Here's the conversation.
Hi there. Welcome in. How are you doing tonight?
Hi, we're doing well, thanks.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Great. Can I start you off with something to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
I'll have water too, and a coffee as well.
Regular or decaf?
Regular, please.
Perfect. I'll bring those right out. Here are your menus. Take your time. Here you go. 2 waters and a coffee. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we're ready.
Great. What can I get for you?
I'll have the chicken pasta, please.
Would you like it as it comes?
Yes, that's fine.
And for you?
I'll take the house burger. Medium, please.
Fries or salad?
Fries, please, and no onions.
Got it. I'll put this order in.
Now that we've ordered, I can relax.
Same here. I really like the atmosphere.
Yeah, it's cozy, but not too loud.
The lighting is nice too, warm and comfortable.
And the music is soft. It makes the place feel relaxed.
Here we are, the chicken pasta and the house burger. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thanks. It looks great.
This is really good. The chicken is tender, and the sauce isn't too heavy.
My burger is perfect, juicy, and the fries are crispy.
The portion size is just right.
Yeah, I'm full, but not too full.
How's everything tasting?
It's delicious.
Yeah, no complaints at all.
I'm glad to hear that. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
I think I could have dessert.
Same here. Let's take a look.
Great. I'll bring the dessert menu. Here you go. Take your time.
Everything looks tempting.
Yeah, but I don't think I can eat a full dessert by myself.
We could share one.
That's a good idea. What do you feel like?
The chocolate cake sounds really good.
Yeah, let's do that.
Have you decided?
Yes, we'll share the chocolate cake, please.
And could we get 2 forks?
Of course. Would you like anything to drink with that?
I'll have a tea, please.
I'll just stick with water.
Perfect. I'll bring that right out. Here's the chocolate cake, a tea, and water. Enjoy!
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh wow, this is amazing. It's rich, but not too sweet.
Yeah, it's the perfect way to end the meal.
I'm really glad we shared it.
Me too. I'd definitely come back here again.
How's the dessert?
It's perfect.
Really good, thank you.
I'm so glad you enjoyed everything. I'll bring the bill whenever you're ready.
Now, let's look at some useful words and phrases you just heard in the conversation.
Can I get... You heard this phrase when Laura and Nick ordered drinks. Can I get a glass of water, please? This is one of the most natural ways to order something in a restaurant. Native speakers use it all the time. I'll have, and I'll take. When Laura and Nick ordered food, they said, I'll have the chicken pasta. I'll take the house burger. Both phrases mean the same thing. They sound polite, confident, and natural. As it comes. Laura said, as it comes is fine. This means you don't want to change anything on the dish. As it comes is fine. Nick customized his order by saying, "No onions, please." In restaurants, short phrases like this are very common. The server asked a choice question. Fries or salad? You don't need a full sentence to answer. You can just say, "Fries, please." After the meal, Laura and Nick ordered dessert. Can we see the dessert menu? This is a polite and natural way to ask for dessert. They also said, we could share one. This means two people eat one dessert together. To finish an order, you can say, "That's all, thank you." This sounds polite and complete.
That's all for today's lesson. These phrases help you order food confidently in English. Practice them out loud and try using them next time you eat out.